Hi, my PlainJains, and welcome back to my channel. So today I want to recreate these trending nails that I've been seeing with 3D gel or hard gels. I've seen seashells, I've seen 3D art, so I want to kind of make a textured nail design. This is going to be one of those trust the process kind of deal. But we are going to be using hard gel today, and I think the brand I'm using is IBD. And then I also have the almond shaped nails. I have a really light purple that I'm going to be using, and my Beetles gel coat and top coat. And as you can see, we're going to go in and buff that shine off, and then we are going to use our nail buffer to smooth out those foundations, and then we're going to use our primer. And side note, I did run out of primer, so I'll be using Model 1's dehydrator and primer, I believe, or prep, to lay the foundation down for these nails. They work just as good as the primer, so we won't be tripping off of that. I am ordering some more but it works just as good as well. And here I'm probably just, I don't know, watching something on TV, or my child came in, I don't know, but I was distracted really quick, but I'm back on it. And like I said, we're going to be buffing that stuff away. And I hope you guys enjoy the design. At first I was questioning myself because I was like, what the hell is turning out to be? I really was trying to, like I said, recreate these 3D designs that I've been seeing. And with the hard gel that I've been seeing, or the 3D gel, you can make anything, like, you know, colonial art, like wallpaper art, flowers, just like, they're just textured nails that people wear, you know. And I'm not saying that they look bad, because they actually, I feel like they turned out great. I just had to trust the process as per usual. So without further ado, I'm gonna stop talking right now and let you guys enjoy the video. So this purple was so pretty, and I love how the iridescent color that I'm about to use on top of it plays on it. It gives that nice pink iridescent look instead of just like the normal white or silver iridescent look. So I really love how I use this as like the base color coat for these nails. And then you're going to see later on, I'm going to transition to the iridescent gel polish, which I think is 1313 by Agayo. And when I say that polish is chef kiss, like, it is beautiful. I really love how it shimmers, and you will see that very soon. But I'm going to apply that right after I cure this for 60 seconds. So this is me applying the hard gel. Again, these are going to be texture designs, so you kind of want to not lay it flat. So what I'm trying to do is basically make some lines here, but they are raised lines, and yeah, just some raised designs. I would call it a seashell or a leaf. I don't know, whatever you want to call it. You do know that our summer giveaway is this month, so if you have a name for these designs, let me know in the comments below for a chance to win a free nail set. But this is how I am applying these raised lines, and working with hard gel it's very, I think there's a technique. I'm not sure if that's technique right now, but me applying it, I'm just trying to make sure that the majority of it is at the end or the tip of my brush, so that I can have that bulb kind of look towards the tip of the nail, and then the line drawn out to make that leaf or seashell look, and have that design on top of the nail. And I will say I wouldn't worry too much about the lines showing up towards the end, because when we add our top coat, everything melts together, and you will see that a little bit later on. But yeah, I only had to work with hard gel, or I worked with hard gel maybe once or twice doing my own nail, and it wasn't that bad. I will say that it dries really hard because it's in the name, and it's very thick. If you're not careful, you will be buffing like nobody's business. Like, you will be shaping and buffing your life away if you're not careful about builder gel. So right here we are just outlining with some reflective gel glitter right here from the Nail Cakery, and this is their pink reflective glitter, and we're going to outline our almond shaped nails with this just to add some pizzazz here. And then we're going to cure that for 60 seconds as well. And I also ended up curing the hard gel for 90 seconds. I do believe maybe it's just my UV lamp, but it did take a little longer to cure, so just keep that in mind. And again, these are raised lines too, so that could have something to do with it as well. But I did cure for 90 seconds for my hard gel raised line design, or my texture design. But for my regular gel polish, it was just 60 seconds. So I'm going to cure that once that is done. And then once that is done, I am going to use a little bit of white chrome. And the white chrome has a little green turquoise in it just to make these things pop. But first I'm going to add my top coat, my Beetles top coat. And as you can see, again, with the finer lines towards the end of the design, once you put that top coat on, it melts away. Like, it literally all melts together, which I enjoyed watching. I loved watching it do that. But everything melts together. And like I said, I'm going to cure this for 60 seconds. And then I'm going to add my chrome powder just to add a little more iridescent colors to the design. I'm going to cap that chrome powder with my top coat again and cure for 60 seconds. But you guys can see, like, look at that, look at that, just that pop of just shininess. These are the finished looks, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I really like how they turned out, and again, these are textured nails and I'm excited about these. I probably will do more of them, just see what other designs I can think of create. What designs would you like to see me create with hard gel? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click that notification bell to see more videos, as well as participate in the summer giveaway. Remember, leave a creative name or comment under the nails that you have washed for these videos. You must be a subscriber to participate, and you'll be eligible to win a free Miss PlainJains nail set. All right, so don't forget, guys, all July long. Thank you guys so much for watching once again, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.